I know you shouldn't do this, but I went ahead and did it anyway because I knew that it was necessary for this situation. So here, as you can see, I have my two primary sections. They're not necessarily perfect, but it is going to provide me a pathway when I'm trying to create a guideline. I had a question about natural hair. It was something that I wanted to try out for myself. What I found is that there are benefits to doing this. So, if you want to perfect this and it's something that you're interested in, I would say that it is definitely worth it. The reason I say perfect is because there are small details that, if not addressed properly, will make the process more difficult. One thing that I've heard continuously from the gurus and the professionals is that you need to start on a clean foundation. And this is one thing that I absolutely agree with because this is going to set the tone for everything else that you do throughout the process.